This is Daily Trivia. 10 questions. Let's begin. Which of these bands was fronted by David Byrne and known for their art school sensibilities and quirky performances? Correct, Talking Heads. The 1970 documentary Gimme Shelter chronicles the ill-fated Altamont Free Concert headlined by the Rolling Stones. Which of these events also occurred on stage during the concert? Precisely. A fan was fatally stabbed by a Hell's Angel. Which 1967 film, starring Dustin, Hoffman, and Anne Bancroft, helped to popularize the music of Simon and Garfunkel, featuring songs like The Sound of Silence and Mrs. Robinson? Precisely. The Graduate. The legendary Muscle Shoals Sound Studio, known for its influence on soul music, is located in which U.S. state? Precisely, Alabama. Which singer-songwriter, known for hits like Big Yellow Taxi and Both Sides Now, initially pursued a career in art before becoming a musician? Precisely, Joni Mitchell. Which fashion item often associated with the grunge movement was popularized in part due to Kurt Cobain wearing it during Nirvana performances? That's right, flannel shirt. Which artist, known for blending country with rock and pop influences, saw their 1997 album Come On Over become the best-selling country album of all time? Correct, Shania Twain. Which Motown group originally featured a young Jermaine Jackson on lead vocals before his brother Michael took over? That's right, the Jackson 5. Which blues standard, covered by artists from Eric Clapton to Robert Johnson, its supposed original writer, contains the lyric, "I got a sweet little angel, I love the way she spreads her wings"? Correct, Sweet Little Angel. Which large-scale benefit concert, held in 1985 simultaneously in London and Philadelphia, aimed to raise funds for famine relief in Ethiopia? That's right, Live Aid. If you scored 8 or higher, you're sharp. Come back tomorrow.